Hey everybody, zurifx here. And we're going to do a half skull today. So I'm just going to do half of my face, make it look like a skull. Hey everybody. Okay, so first we're going to start with just an outline. So I'm just using a small detail round brush and I'm going to outline my bottom of my skull since we're only doing half of my face. And then I'm going to sketch out where I want to put the teeth. So basically sketching out my whole design makes it easier to paint and bring the illusion to life. Now I'm taking Ben Nye Clown White cream paint and I'm just going to cover my skull area with that using a small flat brush. And over the nose. I'm going to blend it out up to my cheek area. Taking my finger and I'm just going to make a seamless blend. Now I'm adding a neon pigment from Cutie Pop Glitzy Glitter, and it's just a loose pigment neon that I'm going to put all over my skull. Give it a nice blend up to the cheek. Now I'm adding my white face paint, just water-based, and I believe this is Krazefx, and I am filling in my teeth. Adding some more shadow. This is a dark green from the crown case, and I'm just making random spots to give it more of a realistic look. Going back to a little bit of a highlight, I'm taking neon pigment from Cutie Pop Glitzy Glitters, and now I am filling in black around my teeth. I'm using a detail brush, very small, and go all around. Bringing some of the black face paint down further from the teeth and connecting the lines. Of course, you have to have a skull nose. Now's the best part, is filling in the black face paint on your face. This part gives it the real realistic look. It gives it the right illusion. This was my favorite part. And then some white face paint for some more highlights. A little bit of highlight in the nose. Next, I'm going to be using these split cake neons, and I'm pretty much going very, very messy around my neck area because I want the focus to be straight to my mouth, my skull. So randomly, I'm just taking different colors and going down my neck. And the best part is the green neon so it can match with my face. Filling in black eyeshadow under my neck area. And I'm all done. This look was inspired by Fancy Flutie. That is her name on Instagram. She does great skulls and I was truly inspired. So thank you, Fancy Flutie. And like, subscribe, and share my videos. Bye.